Hey there, fellow Snapchatters! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fun topic: how to allow your friends to use your cameos on Snapchat. If you want to share the joy of personalized cameos with your close pals, this full guide is for you. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon, either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it to enter the Cameos settings. Step 5. Within the Cameos settings, you'll see the option Use My Cameo Selfie. Tap on it. Step 6. A new screen will appear, presenting you with different options for who can use your cameos. Tap on My Friends to allow only your friends on Snapchat to use your personalized cameos. By following these steps, you can easily allow your friends to use your cameos on Snapchat, adding an extra touch of fun and personalization to your interactions. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.